Imagine waking up at 70 years old. You look back at your life, and something feels strange. You were busy. You were responsible. You were admired. But was it yours? If you have one life, make sure it is your own, not a copy, not a reaction, not a performance. Many people live carefully. Few people live honestly. Today, we ask one question. Whose life are you living? From childhood, expectations appear. Be successful. Be polite. Be realistic. Family has dreams for you. Society has rules for you. Friends have opinions about you. Slowly, you adjust yourself. You change your voice. You change your goals. You change your pace. At first, it feels small. Later, it becomes your identity. You do what is accepted. They understand what is predictable, but predictable is not always personal. There is a quiet cost. Living someone else's script is heavy. You wake up tired without reason. You achieve things without joy. You smile, but feel distant. Because the outside is loud, and your inside is silent. You choose safety. They understand approval. You choose comfort. They understand control. But your heart understands freedom. Freedom is not rebellion. Freedom is alignment. Your actions match your values. A young man once studied law. His father was a lawyer. The family was proud. He graduated with honors. He found a stable job, good salary, nice office. But every evening, he felt empty. On weekends, he painted quietly, small canvases in his apartment. No audience, no applause, just peace. Years later, he changed direction. Less money, more meaning. You follow tradition. They understand stability. You follow truth. They understand courage differently. A woman worked in marketing, fast life, bright screens, constant messages. She was efficient. She was respected. But she loved teaching children. It was her secret wish. One day, she volunteered, 1 hour a week, reading stories to kids. She felt alive again, not famous, not powerful, just real. You chase status. They understand success. You choose purpose. They understand depth. Making life your own is quiet work. It starts with small honesty. What do you actually enjoy? What makes you lose time? What drains you completely? Listen carefully. No one else hears this voice. It is subtle. It is patient. When you ignore it, life feels mechanical. When you respect it, life feels intentional. You protect your time. They understand boundaries. You protect your energy. They understand maturity. Owning your life requires responsibility, not blame. Responsibility. You cannot control others. You can control direction. Sometimes saying no is painful. Sometimes changing paths is scary. People may misunderstand you. That is natural. You evolve. They adjust slowly. Growth is not loud. It is consistent alignment. Every small decision votes. Votes for the person you become. Your life is not a competition. It is a construction, brick by brick, choice by choice. If you compare constantly, you lose your blueprint. If you listen inward, you find clarity. Clarity brings calm. Calm brings strength. Strength brings direction. Direction brings peace. You define success personally. They understand it socially. Both are valid, but only one is yours. Many people begin life following a path already drawn. Parents suggest it. Teachers encourage it. Society quietly rewards it. Over time, the path feels normal, even when it does not feel right. Approval becomes comfortable, but comfort can hide quiet dissatisfaction. Living someone else's script is rarely dramatic. It is simply heavy over time. Small, honest decisions can change direction. Choosing truth instead of approval. Choosing meaning instead of appearance. Courage does not arrive all at once. It grows with every sincere choice. And slowly, step by step, your life moves closer to who you really are. Your life moves quietly through time, day after day, choice after choice. Most changes do not look dramatic. They look small, almost invisible. A decision to listen to yourself, a decision to step away from expectations, a decision to walk in your own direction. People may not always understand, and that is natural. Because your life is not meant to perfectly match their expectations. It is meant to reflect who you are. You have one life. Make sure it is your own.